Hi, Karita Gardner here, and today we are going to be talking about transparency. There is a great transparency tool in Illustrator, and this is such a quick lesson. The point is to hopefully get you a bite-sized bit in Illustrator and to quickly be able to implement it. Okay, before we get started though, I need to let you know about Design Bootcamp. If you have not joined me for this 5-day live experience, you are missing out. It is only $17, and we spend a whole week talking about the strategies you need to make money as a designer, as well as getting into Illustrator and learning design. So you're gonna love it. Click on my profile link or click on my description link to join in, okay? All right, let's get started here. All right, we are going to be looking at our transparency window. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to Window, and come all the way down to transparency. All right, so here's my window for it. And if you don't see everything, check these little, this little 3 lines. It means that there's more here, okay? So it shows you a few options. If I do show options, it will bring those pieces down there. Most people don't even know those exist right there, but they're fantastic, okay? So we need some things to actually make transparent, right? So I'm going to just bring a couple of ellipse tools right here. Let's go ahead and change their colors. I'm going to double click on my fill here and just change these 2 colors. Just select them, double click on your fill, and change the fill colors, okay? All right, so I have a pink and a red here, okay? And what I want to show you, if I select the top one, so select the top one first, let's come over here to our transparency window, and I want you to take your opacity and you just move it down like that. And I want you to see that now where this overlaps, you can absolutely see all of that that's showing through on the pink. If you come to this side and you take that transparency down, you'll notice these 2 areas, now we've got an orange, right? Because yellow and pink red makes an orange color going on in here, okay? You'll notice that the transparency takes down both the stroke and the fill. So be aware of that. If you want that fill color or that stroke color to be black, you're gonna have to create another layer for that and lay it on top, okay? But otherwise, it's gonna make everything transparent that you have selected, okay? That's it, you guys. So easy, right? Where do I use this? Where's the application for this? Think about plaids. Think about anything where I've got like blushes on people's cheeks, right? So there are lots of great applications with it. Do be careful with it. If you're doing, I'm a fabric designer, and if I'm doing fabrics, I do not use transparencies. Why? Because I don't know how that's going to print out. And I want to be really careful of it. But if you're doing digital products, that is a great place to use transparencies because everybody's color is going to be different on their monitors. So you're just trying to get it exactly right in your illustrations. Okay? That's it, you guys. I can't wait to see you in my next design boot camp. Make sure and join up. It's going to be an amazing experience, and I will see you soon.